Accommodates both standard 17.75-inch and 18-inch bristle dartboard. Provides 8.2 square feet of protection, with a 1-inch thick high-density V-foam. An attractive velvet surface minimizes signs of wear. Easy to assemble compression fitting requires no additional bracing, mounting hardware or tools. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing wall protector. I am writing this review literally 5 minutes after installing. As you can see in the pics. It's sleek, fits snug, and hangs onto the dartboard with no other mounting accessories. I purchased this for my kids to protect the wall one day after installing a dartboard and realized their aim was terrible and missed the board several times. Smiley face. Needless to say, they made several holes in the wall prior to me ordering this wall protector. My kids instantly began to play and they hit the wall protector about 10 times in 1 minute. I installed on a 18 Franklin dartboard. No need to think about it. Pick this up and enjoy playing darts.